8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Trucks are going to town. Whoa! These chained up trucks are going wild. Hold up. Oh! Stop. Let's hold it up. Hold up. Hold up. Our official is on the track. Hold up. Chained up and ready to go. White and blue.
40 model. Good. Coming up. You're good, you're good, you're good.
Looks like we're down to 4 or 5. Got some wheels on the track, some bumpers. These guys are hitting hard. 6 is backing up, he's taking a look. Oh, here he comes!
Whoa, we're going for a ride.
He's gonna take him to Hector. There they go! Whoa!
Whoa!
Take it easy in our cement blocks, buddy. There we go.
Good here, guys.
Looks like we're down to 4, maybe 5.
Here we go! Woo!
Man, they are loving those cement blocks. Here comes 224. Whoa! Miss. Here they come. Look out! There's a good hit. And there's the mud we've been waiting for. 67 just took his stick down. So we got 4 left. They're all hanging out here in the southeast corner. There he goes. There he goes. He's chasing him.
Whoa!
Watch out, Danny and Olivia. They're coming your way. Uh-oh. There we go.
We got a long run at this
Got
one.
714. There we go. X is pulling his door shut.
Oh, car number 6 is down. There we go. We're at 3 trucks. 4. Oh, 101X back on the program.
Yeah, looks like we got 4 going yet. Just missed that driver's door. Uh-oh. We got a few hung up down there. That's never
We
any
got
good.
some parallel parking down here.
I think 714 can kind of take his pick here. Oh, they're working themselves loose. There goes 101X.
It's Hotel California.
Uh-oh.
You can come, but you cannot leave.
This is going to be a tough call for the judges. Who made that last hit if we had right now? That's what we have to figure out. Oh, they're moving.
Whoa,
224 is out.
224 is loose. We got a chain truck onto the loose.
Cole Schwer from Olivia makes it out of there. Let's see what he's going to do now. We got 3 guys all hung up down here. Don't let it die, Cole. Keep it going. 76 is working his way out of there. Mike Steinbeiser from Eagle Bend.
It's kind of like they're snuggling. Oh, yeah.
Oh, 714 is loose. 76 is loose. There we go. 101X is still moving. I'm glad they all got going. That would have been a tough call to make.
We've got a low-speed chase going on here.
Uh-oh. That got eerily quiet. All right, so we got, I think, 4 still with their sticks up. We got to make something happen here. 714, here he comes. Oh, he's making it happen.
This is not going to be good.
We're still moving around pretty good. We got trucks running, but we got to get them moving, boys. Little by little, there goes 101X. He's got a hit in now. 224 has been hung up for a while. Whoa!
We've got some wheel problems here.
That hit just jerked that steering wheel right out of his hands. .224, I think, is on the clock. He hasn't moved in a while. We still got 3 going strong. 714 Adam Bauer, 101X Eric Stedergren, and 76X Mike Steinbeiser, 224 Cole Schwer. Stick is still up, but he hasn't moved in a while. Oh, looks like Cole's going down. 224 is out. Oh, and it's too quiet just like that. Come on, boys, get him going.
No, we're alive.
Get them going. Come on, cheer them on. They're moving. They can hear you. Woo! All right. Come on. Keep moving. I think Betsy Ross is going to have to sew that truck up again. He's still going. 101X is moving. Pretty quiet on 714 and 76. Oh no. Come on, boys. Cheer them on. They can hear you when it's quiet. No, not against the wall.
That doesn't count.
Well, he got a hit.
Here we go. A near miss.
Oh my gosh. I think maybe they're preserving fuel.
Let's cheer the American flag. We could have a hit here. Anticipation is wild.
Uh-oh.
Please start.
There we go. Go get him, red, white, and blue. Uh-oh. 101. Gotta get it going. Oh, we got some flames. Put that fire out. There you go. I'm glad he's got his safety strap holding the radiator in there.
Could this be it? Ladies and gentlemen.
This is gonna be the slowest hit we've
Could
seen
it
tonight.
be?
Oh! Listen to the
Oh
crowd.
my goodness.
That's total anticipation right there.
That's a hit heard around the world.
All right, I think that's
Hey, it's
it.
all over.
Oh my gosh.
Wave the flag. The American flag is the winner.